In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom waiting room notifications. If you host classes, client calls, or team meetings, a quick chime can save you from constantly checking the participant list and make sure no one sits in the waiting room unnoticed. We'll do this from the Zoom website, so the change applies across your meetings. First, open your browser and go to the Zoom homepage, then sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of the page for the navigation panel and choose My Account. This takes you to your account dashboard, where you can manage settings that affect every meeting you host. Next, select Settings. We're heading to the place where Zoom keeps all the meeting controls. In the Settings area, click the Meeting tab. This groups all meeting-related options together, which makes it easier to find what we need. Under Meeting, choose the section called In Meeting, Basic. This is where Zoom places the most commonly used host-friendly controls. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Sound Notification when someone joins or leaves. This is the setting that plays a short tone when participants enter or exit, including when they arrive in the waiting room. Go ahead and turn this option on. The toggle should switch to the On position. If you see it grayed out, that could mean your organization controls it centrally. In that case, you would need an administrator to enable it. But for most personal accounts, you can toggle it yourself. With the sound notification enabled, Zoom will now play a ringing notification when someone joins your waiting room. That means you can focus on presenting or speaking, and you'll still get an audible cue to admit the next person without breaking your flow. A couple of practical tips to make this work smoothly. Keep your device volume at a comfortable level so you can hear the chime, especially if you're sharing a screen. Headphones can help you catch the sound without distracting the room. If you run longer sessions, consider letting participants know you're using the waiting room so they understand a brief pause before admission is normal. That's it. You've enabled waiting room notifications on the Zoom website, and you're ready to host with fewer interruptions and fewer missed arrivals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps your next meeting run more smoothly.